Hi guys, welcome back to Quest Bites. Did everyone try the catapult yesterday? Making sure everybody's awake and alive this morning too. Did you try the catapult? Click yes if you did, no if you didn't. Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing all your pictures and videos. I know I've already seen one of somebody who made the catapult and it looked great. Well done, Brooke. So today we're going to talk about the different types of engineers. Do we remember what an engineer is? Click yes if you do, and no if you don't. An engineer is a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works. Awesome. Well, there are different types of engineers for different types of engineering, just like there are different teachers for different grades and subjects. We don't have time to talk about all of them, but the six major branches of engineering are mechanical, electrical, chemical, civil, management, and geotechnical. Today we're going to discuss the first two. Okay, from your seat, I want you to look around your house. Do you see things that are plugged into the wall? Or how about things with batteries? How many do you see? Go ahead and click your answer in the poll. Count them. Let's see. Ooh, I know my computer's plugged into the wall, so that's at least one for me. And my phone has a battery, so that's at least two. Do you see one? Do you see two? Do you see three? Do you see four? Click your answer. Oh, someone sees three. That's great. So, those all have electrical engineering pieces in them. That means they need electricity to run. Along with other jobs, electrical engineers help route electricity through objects. Okay, now I want you to look around for things that move with no electricity. Think about doorknobs. Have you ever thought about how a doorknob turns? Have you ever watched the latch go back inside when you turn it? Okay, we're going to watch this video so you can see what's happening on the inside when you turn the handle. See that latch going inside? That's what's happening when the doorknob is turned. Pretty cool, huh? When you So that's called a mechanism. And a mechanism is a group of moving parts doing one thing together. Mechanical engineers help design and build mechanisms, amongst other things. So when you put mechanisms and electrical systems together, you get electromechanical products. That's a big word, yeah? Say it with me. Electromechanical. One more time. Electromechanical. Good job. Okay, do you have your pen and paper? All right. Now I want you to think of something that you want to build that would need electricity and a mechanism. Okay? Start drawing. Here's mine. It's a robot on wheels. See? Pretty neat, huh? Okay, finish your drawings and have your parents help you send me a picture later to my email. And here is my email in the comments for your parents. So, today I do have a project for you that is an electromechanical project. You probably won't have all the supplies for this one at home, so wait patiently for your parents to order the parts. It is a Wigglebot. I'll put that in the comments as well. In the meantime, you guys can make a paddle boat while you're waiting patiently for those parts to be ordered by your parents. So you should be able to do that. Here's a link for that too. Okay, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Tell your friends that we're discussing tools that engineers use. Happy designing!